Okay, we finally got the cage together. First of all, the instructions are very bad. You need 2 people to put the cage together and lots of patience. It's beautiful. I love how big it is for when I get my 2 parakeets. There's the bottom part, and I didn't know it had side doors where I can put the breeding box at. There's one on each side. There you go. And then 4 individual doors in the front for the feeding, and 2 big doors. Sorry, goes up. It's supposed to come out like that. There it goes. I'm a little too close to it. And then there's the other one in the bottom. Down here is where it gave us the problems because the edges kept coming out. But it has the pull out, okay, and then it has this part where once you do the bottom base, this part goes here, and then this part that goes bended together with the back piece goes there. So let me try to show you here. That bottom piece is bended, so it goes with half of the other part, and then you have to bend, where is it, these little things in the sides, which it just doesn't show you that you need one of those heavy duty pliers because it's very hard to bend, and they still move around, so we had to like keep bending them to make them tight and put some little Ziploc tiny bags, those zipper things to keep it closed to make sure the cage don't be rattled. Okay, and then it has the brakes on. I'm not using these sticks, that's why you see them up here. I brought them natural sticks short, so they can, you know, fly around in there if they want. And also I'm gonna make them my own little thing on the top for them to play around in. It's very nice, and for the price is good, but they definitely need to up on their instruction thing and be a little more clear. And there it goes. So I hope this helped you, and it's definitely the height that it is, 53 and a couple lines or whatever. But yeah, it's pretty big, as you can see. But it's nice. Hope it helps.